Hello, hi, good evening. A quick audio check. Ting, ting. Okay, everything looks fine. So we are going live. And today I'm going to show you how the contextual tool works for placing pipe in Revit. Okay, so this is a new place I'm recording. Please check the audio quality and the video because I'm recording with the different settings. Okay, so let me show you how this works. I'm going to close everything, okay, because I just want to make sure that you understand better. Okay, so I'm in a home page. Now I'm going to create a new Revit file and I'm going for plumbing template. Okay, plumbing template. Say okay. So in case if you're preparing a plumbing project, then it's better to go for plumbing template. Why? Because everything is preset. And in case if you want to change anything, then you can just update the template and you are good to go. All right. So if you're a new beginner, don't worry about the end result. Okay, start learning one by one. Okay, so for example, now you're a MEP modeler and you're trying to learn all the MEP tools. You start from plumbing because plumbing is easy, and then go to HVAC. So if you are a mechanical guy, better learn HVAC first. Okay, and then go for electrical because if you know, it's better. Okay, now we are learning plumbing. So in the last session I was explaining about these plumbing tools. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, totally 9 tools. What are these, how this works, we were learning. Today I'm going to show you the contextual menu. When I'm taking the pipe tool, so what are these options, how can I use these um, contextual tools. So what is contextual tools? Relative tools. Okay, and the options bar. So what options I get when I'm trying to place a pipe, what options I get. So I'm going to show you what is what. In case if you're having any doubt, please give it in the comments. In the end of this session we will discuss. Okay, all right. Now, so you don't get confused. Okay, so if I escape, I'm taking the plumbing tool from here. I can take directly, or I can drag this tool palette here and then I can start from here. Okay, so it's up to you. So whatever the way you feel comfortable, you can do it. So when I'm taking the pipe tool, I'm getting these options. What are these? Let's go one by one. Justification. Okay, so you need to know what is justification. When I'm drawing a pipe, okay, so now it is showing a small line. Escape, go for find mode, and I'm drawing a pipe. Let's zoom in and you can see that a small blue color dashed line is appearing. That's your location line. Okay, that's your location line. Do you want that line in the center or in any of the side? So that you have to decide. In case if you are referring to any line, if you want to give offset, then you can go for justification. Okay, so for example, so now I'm drawing the pipe with the center line. I'm getting a tag also. Okay, so when I'm taking the pipe, I'm having an option to switch on tag. If I don't want, I can switch it off. Okay, so, and I'm drawing the pipe, so I'm getting some information: start offset, current offset, slope. So that's your tool tips. In case if you don't want, you can just switch it off here. No issues. Okay, now let's come back to the point. Justification. When you draw, you have a location line that's in the middle. In case if you want to change it to any of the side, you can go to justification. Here you can see we have horizontal justification, horizontal offset, vertical justification. So this tool is visible only in the plan and not in the elevation. So you don't have to worry about vertical justification. Okay, so that's just your location line. You can choose center and middle. In case if you want to change it to left, then you can change it to left and say okay. Now you see I'm drawing a pipe and you see this is coming in the top. So that's your left. See, this is your left. Okay, so if I change this to right, and you see this is coming in the right side. If I draw from bottom to top or top to bottom, so this is changing, the location line is changing left and right. So you just try this tool. Okay, so just to do some trial and error. Now I'm going to draw with some offset, let's say 500 horizontal offset, and say okay. Now I need the pipe horizontal 500 mm offset from this center of pipe. Okay, so now you see this is my pipe, but the pipe what I draw has a justification to the left side, so one side. So now you see, in case if I take a dimension from the center to the center, see it is different, but center to the edge it is 500 because we have chosen left justification. So don't get confused. Let's draw a detail line. Okay, this is my detail line, and I'm going to draw a pipe, go for justification, and I'm going to take the center as the horizontal justification and offset is 500. If I say okay, so from the pipe I'm taking as a reference, so this is coming in the bottom. Okay, so I can change the direction and it will go in the top. Okay, once I draw, I can measure, annotate dimension. If I measure, it will have 500 offset. So that's about justification. Let's go to the next tool, pipe. So next one is automatically connect. Okay, so I'm going to draw the pipe. Now it has 500 mm offset. So let's go to justification. Let's get some normal. Okay, 0, center, middle. Okay, now I'm going to draw the pipe and I'm continuously drawing the pipe, and you see it is automatically connected. In case if you don't want them to be connected automatically, you uncheck and then draw. See, again it comes with the connections. So this is not just a connection, it's called fittings. Okay, now I have this pipe. So now in case if I want to introduce a new pipe from here, then for example, now automatically connect is unchecked. I'm going to draw, and you see this pipe actually not connected with any fittings. Without fittings it is coming. If I check this, okay, if I draw a pipe from here to here, and you see the fitting is placed. Okay, so that's the difference between automatically connect, with automatically connect and without automatically connect. Okay, I have a pipe, existing pipe, and I'm drawing a new pipe. So do I want the pipe to be connected? So that we have to check here. The second one, we know how it works. Okay, so justification we know, automatically connect means what we know. Let's go to inherit elevation. Okay, so for example, I'm drawing a pipe at middle elevation 2750. Okay, now I'm changing the elevation 1000. Now what I draw will be in a different level. I can show you in 3D or in a elevation. Let's take a sectional elevation, go to view, and you can see here these are the pipe. This is the pipe. I can also take a dimension 2750 and 1000. Now let's go to the plan. Now see, I'm going to take a new pipe and I'm going to draw a pipe, but middle elevation is something else like 650. Okay, now I don't know the pipe elevation. I don't know, randomly I'm going to draw. I don't know the pipe elevation, but I want to catch the correct elevation. I don't want to have any offset. I don't want to have any vertical offset. So I'm going to choose inherit elevation. So that means whatever I'm snapping into, so my pipe going to grab that elevation. So now you see I'm going to draw a pipe, and you see this is drawn in 2750. I can show you in 3D. Let's go to sectional section box. Now you see there is no level difference. Okay, now I'm going to show you without inherit elevation. So I have not checked this. Now we are in a different elevation, 650. Now I'm going to draw the pipe again. Go to 3D view. Now you see the pipe is drawn in a 650 middle elevation, but we have the connection because automatically connect is checked. Okay, so that's the difference. So do I have to draw in the same elevation or in the different elevation? What I choose? Okay, let's go to pipe again. Now same like elevation, we can also catch the pipe size. For example, so here pipe size is given. Let's say randomly I have 15 mm, but I want to match to the pipe. Then I can choose inherit size. This is 15 mm. This is something bigger. Okay, so now I have chosen inherit size and I'm drawing the pipe. Now you see once I click, the diameter is changed and I can directly draw. If I go to 3D view, you can see the pipe size is matched here. If I go to the plan, again I'm going to draw the pipe without inherit size. I'm changing the pipe size now. Okay, and I'm going to draw the pipe. Okay, now see in 3D view. So this is the pipe I have drawn, this small pipe I have drawn, and you see the pipe is drawn to the chosen diameter. Okay, now why am I getting this L connection? Why am I getting this L connection? So that's the next option. Go to the plumbing plan. I'm going to pipe and see here offset connection. Should I add vertical or can I have a different slope? Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, for example, now I have checked this and I'm drawing the pipe. See, automatically Revit is connecting with the vertical pipe. Now if I draw with the change slope option, so it works with the elevation. Okay, so the first point going to connect to this point. So this elevation is 1000. I'm drawing in 650. Now you see, if once I draw, now you can see it clearly. Let me take another section here. Right click, go to view. So here you see, instead of adding a vertical pipe, it is gradually sloping down to the selected level. What was the level chosen? 650. Let me show you. Okay, so this pipe is drawn. Now I don't see any level. Okay, let's go to the plan view and okay, I'm just hiding this. Okay, let's focus here. Let's focus here. Okay, if I take a dimension, this is 1000. If I take a dimension here, this will be 650. Okay, so it is connected with the slope from 650. So that's the difference. Okay, I'm taking pipe, so I can choose any offset connection. I can add a vertical, or I can connect with the slope. So that slope, regardless of sloping pipe. Okay, sometimes we draw a drainage pipe with the slope. Okay, in case if you want to connect immediately, then you can use this change slope option. Okay, so you have to make sure that what option you are choosing. So whenever you draw a pipe, now let me show you this slope. Let's delete all the pipe, so let's not get confused. Delete. Okay, now I'm going to draw a pipe. Okay, so I'm going to draw a pipe. Now see, slope is off. I'm drawing a pipe. Okay, this pipe looks so small. Let's change the size. Still it's small. Okay, so I'm drawing a pipe and I'm going to measure the slope. No slope. Now I want to draw a pipe with the slope. Then I can go to the pipe. Then I can choose, should I slope up or down? In case if it is a drainage pipe, then we have to slope it down, right? Select a slope down, and how much slope I need. So 1 is to 40, 1 is to 80. If it is 1 is to 0, I'm drawing a pipe. Okay, and I'm measuring the slope. Go to annotate and slope. This is in a different unit. Go to edit type, format, and choose the unit. Okay, now you see here it is 1 is to 40. If you select the pipe, you can also inspect. So this is going up in this direction. Okay, so this is with the slope. Now an important learning is there. Okay, I'll show you. I'm taking a pipe, then I am drawing a pipe with the slope. Okay, now so I have drawn one straight pipe and I'm drawing the pipe with the slope. Okay, let's say I'm going to draw the pipe to the elevation of 300. Okay, so but this 300 I need it somewhere here. Okay, then I can start from here. I can end here 2500. So that's my pipe location. That from there I need 1 is to 40. Click and then continue. Now you see how this works. Just to take a section, right click, go to view, and you see here. So this is the pipe, fine mode. You can see here, this is 1 is to 40. Here the slope is different. This is 1 is to 40, and here the slope is different. Okay, this is 1 is to 6. This is 1 is to 40. This is 1 is to 6. Okay, so what was my command? I need to connect with the pipe. So after 2500, I need 1 is to 40 slope. Let's measure, annotate, spot. No, let's take an annotate. Align the dimension from here to here. 2534. Actually, we have to take a line. Let's take a line. I have to measure to the right elevation. Okay, let's trim this line. So this is the connection point. Okay, so now I'm taking a aligned line from here to the center of pipe 2500. Okay, have you understood? See, I'm drawing a pipe with a slope, and that pipe to be starting from 600. Okay, but it has to be connected to the main pipe. Then this connection can vary in slope. So then I can just draw. I will draw this pipe again. Let's go to pipe. Okay, I need the slope 1 in 40 after 2500 distance. Let's say 2500. This is just a line. Okay, this is just a line. This is the pipe. Okay, so I'm taking the pipe. I need the slope down 1 in 40 slope, but after 2500. But I want the pipe to be connected. Okay, so I'm choosing change slope option. I can just start from here and click once and then continue. You will get the same result. Okay, connected to the pipe. After 2500, it is sloping down 1 in 40 slope. So that's a slope option. I'm taking pipe. Okay, now you know what are these contextual menu. Okay, in case if you're having any doubt, then you please let me know. I will try to explain it in another video. Okay, now what is tag on placement? In case if I want a tag to be placed when I draw the pipe, you can enable it and then just draw. It will give you a tag whenever you draw a pipe. Okay, this pipe is not visible because something will be there. I think the angle was different, that's why it's not drawn. Okay, let me show you again. Pipe, whenever you draw a pipe, so here the pipe is not visible. Okay, the elevation is different because it's going down. The elevation is changing. Okay, all right, place on okay, tag on placement. So in case if you want to change the tag type, then you can choose here in the options bar. You can choose what orientation and what tag should this have ladder and what should be the leader length. Let me show you how this works. For example, I'm going to change the tag. Okay, now I'm going to draw the pipe. You can see now this is coming with the question mark because there is no pipe system. Okay, and in case if I have to change it back, I can go here and change it back. Pipe size tag. Okay, now it will come with pipe size tag. So do I want this tag to be horizontal, vertical, or aligned to the model? I can do that. In case if I keep this as model, then this will follow the model orientation. It has to follow the model orientation. It's not following. Why? Because orientation is model. Something is wrong. Let's go to edit family, select. Okay, so vertical alignment, middle, keep readable. Okay, so the keep readable is checked. So that's why it's always horizontal. Load into project, overwrite. Now if I place the pipe, for example, like this, Still it is horizontal, so we have to check. Okay, do I want it as horizontal or vertical? In case if we change this to vertical, it comes like vertical. That's good. Okay, so do I need it with the shoulder? And what should be the shoulder length? 15. If I draw the pipe, I choose an elevation and draw the pipe, and you can see this is coming with the shoulder, leader, shoulder. Okay, I'm taking pipe again. Okay, so now you know what are these. So this option will be hidden if you don't choose tag on placement. You can see now it's not accessible. So when you choose tag on placement, then you get all additional options. Okay, so what other options do you have? Let's come from left to right. So we can instantly change the diameter of the pipe. We can instantly change the type of the pipe. So whatever is instant, you can change. And you can change the elevation of the pipe, but it is middle elevation, so we can't take a invert elevation. Okay, so you have to be clear. It is middle elevation. Okay, you can choose the middle elevation. You can also enter the value. You can lock the value in case if you want, and you can just keep drawing. You see the value is changing based on the slope value. Okay, so that's all about contextual menu for placing pipe. Okay, so in case if you're having any doubt in this, then you please let me know. Okay, actually I have a question. Okay, so in case if I draw a pipe, I'm drawing a pipe and I have a small option called apply current offset. If I give current offset and I'm getting a message, start and end elevations are same, nothing to apply. So this is not a problem, but I'm getting this warning message. In case if you know what is this, please let me know in the comments. Okay, all right, let's learn one by one. In case if you're a beginner, you don't rush in learning. Learn one by one. First day I was just explaining only these tools, what are these and how we can use them. And today we are learning the contextual menu. Tomorrow we will learn another topic. Okay, so do you have any questions? I don't have any comments. Okay, so far now I don't have any comments. Thank you so much. In case if you have any question, please let me know. So we are learning plumbing. That's a good thing. Okay, see you then. In case if you want to know the plumbing syllabus, please go to the community tab and check. So I have already shared in the community tab. Please check. I have already shared a syllabus. Electrical syllabus, HVAC syllabus, and plumbing syllabus. Yeah, these are the syllabus. We are supposed to learn all these topics. Okay, but don't rush. Let's learn one by one. This is our syllabus. So lots of you don't even know how to open the channel page. Okay. In case if you are watching any of my video, just click on this picture and you will get this home page. Here you have these tabs. Go to community and then check this information. Okay, all right, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any question. We have a viewer, Ismaili. Do you want to ask anything? Okay, you can ask anytime. Okay, so you can also ask on WhatsApp or on my LinkedIn or here in the YouTube chat. Okay, that's all for today. We are closing now. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.